Okay, so this is the reality of what we're looking at. I mean, the shoveling is like ridiculous because we don't know where to go with the snow. That's my car there in front of the truck. I know you can't tell it's a car, but there is really a car under there. This is
We're showing Kayla's car.
Tyler's truck and his car, and that's Kayla trying to dig out her car to drive to Harrisburg tomorrow morning. I don't have a very long commute at all. I can get to work in like 4 minutes. It's just trying to get out from under that. There you can see the back of my car. We literally just don't know where to put the snow. That's the problem.